Alright, we're going to talk about order of operations in numerical expressions. So, a term you're going to hear a lot when you do order of operations is PEMDAS. I'll write it out here for you. So, P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M and D for multiplication and division, and then A and S for addition and subtraction. So you notice I wrote it going down, and you notice that I put multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction with an arrow above it. And that means we do multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Multiplication doesn't come before division unless it comes before it in the problem. So let's look at a couple problems to start us off. So let's say we had 5 times 8 divided by 2. So in this problem, we have no parentheses, we have no exponents, so we do multiplication and division left to right. So I'm going to do 5 times 8 first. 5 times 8 is 40, divided by 2 is 20. Now let's look if we had reversed this order. Of operations there. So let's say we had 8 divided by 2 times, 7. So here, the division comes first, so I'm going to do my division first. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then 4 times 7 is 28. So the first one I did the multiplication first because it came first. The second one I did the division first because it came first. Alright, next we have 3 times and then parentheses, 7 minus 5. So we do have parentheses on this, so we have to start with the parentheses first. So we're going to do 7 minus 5 first, which is 2, and then 3 times 2 is 6. Alright, next let's do 5 plus 4 times 2 squared. Now, square is an exponent, and that literally means the area of a square. So one of the things we know about a square is all the sides are the same. So if this side is 2, this side is 2, and if I find that area of that, it would be 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have no parentheses here, so we're starting with that exponent. So 2 squared is 4. So now I have 5 plus 4 times 4. So next I have multiplication division, so I do that. So 4 times 4 is 16. And I end up with 5 plus 16, which is 21. Alright, so here I wrote out a long problem. I got 15 divided by 3 plus 7 times 1 minus 2. So start with parentheses, I don't have any. Next is exponents, I don't have any. Multiplication from left to right. So I do have multiplication and division, so I'm going to work that from left to right. So first one I come to is 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So plus 7 times 1 minus 2. So now I have a multiplication of 7 times 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. So I write out everything else. 5 plus 7 minus 2. And now I do addition and subtraction from left to right. So the first one I come to is 5 plus 7, which is 12, minus 2. And 12 minus 2 is 10. Alright, one more problem, a word problem. So the movie theater charges $4 for a drink and $5 for popcorn. How much does it cost for 6 drinks and 4 popcorns? So we want 6 drinks at $4 a piece, so that would be 6 times 4, plus 4 popcorns at $5 a piece, so that would be 4 times 5. So we just follow our order operations. We have no parentheses, no exponents, so we do multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. So first multiplication we have is 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 4 times 5. Next we have 4 times 5, which is 20. So we get 24 plus 20. So that would be $44 for 6 drinks and 4 popcorns.